glad and very honored to be here today. I'm a director of Mineral Examination Council. It has been a while since we taken decision to come to Awul North, to come to Northern Barkazal, especially Awul West County. We have come here, and our mission is to come and carry out exploration and assessment for minerals. We are a company, and we are operating in Western Barkazal, Raja County, Bor Medina Fayam. Mineral Examination Council is a company that was established in 2020, and it is not our first time to carry out exploration. We have done a lot of exploration in Western Barkazal State, particularly in Raja County. Now we are operating in Raja County, Bor Medina Fayam, and it is a honor to be here in this state, also to do the same activities that we have done in the other state. So I wish my message to other companies that are operating in South Sudan is that we need to take a move. We need to come out from our comfort zone. We come to the state, and we come and carry out exploration so that we can explore the resources and show the resources to our government and to our people, so that they can benefit from our resources. We have a lot of resources here. We have gold, diamonds, copper, limestones, and to mention but few. We have more resources which we cannot mention. If time would not allow us to mention the number of resources that we have here. I have come with my team. Some of the engineers are still on the way coming. We have just reached here. It has been a long journey since we started yesterday until now. So I'm very glad and very honored to be here. Thank you so much.
Your name?
My name is Engineer Lino Deng. I'm the director of Mineral Examination Council.
Thank you.